Hi everyone, it's Maria from Following Maria, and in today's video, we're gonna be doing a room tour at the Intercontinental San Diego. Hello, come on in, welcome. We are in room number 1402 at the Intercontinental. And this specific room is the waterfront corner suite north. And this is the little kitchenette area. We have a refrigerator and there's places for storage as well as the snacks we are never gonna touch because it's gonna hurt our wallets. But right here we have an espresso, which is included. Come on in. I'm excited to try out this Nespresso because I've never tried out Nespressos beforehand, so highly looking forward to that. As well as a tea kettle because I drink tea every single day, multiple times a day. So I'm looking forward to just having a little bit of home in a home away from home. We have the dining table, which will also act as the office table as I'm doing a couple of things for work. And here we have our couch. And what's great about this couch is it actually turns into a pull-out bed that sleeps two people. And right next to me is a little chase lounge. So if you're trying to fit people in this room, y'all, you can get like 5, 6 people just in this area. We also have over here a lounge area, which leads to the best part of the room, the view. This view is iconic in San Diego and it is Harbor Drive. It's where all the cruise ships come in. It's one of the main roads that lead out of the airport as well. On the north side of the room, in the living room area, you can see the pool area. You can see Spring Hill Suites, which is right next door, and also just this beautiful view of the marina. You'll also be able to see the airport in the distance. So if you are a low-key AV geek like I am, this is the room for you. Now come on, come on. Now this bedroom is beautiful. It is so crisp and clean and spacious. And I know my parents are going to appreciate, yes, the area that is super spacious, but also the extra storage for their things. Y'all, I am all about bathrooms when I go into hotel rooms because I want to see how much attention to detail that they're actually putting into every single room in the room. And this one does not disappoint. Not only do we have one vanity, but we also have a sunken bathtub where they have bath salts that they provided as well as shower gels. We also have in this room a walk-in shower with a double shower head. What's also provided is another vanity where the toilet is. I've been pretty impressed by the little freebies that they give, like the hand soaps, as well as the hand and body lotions. There's even lip balms that are available. And the quality and the size of all of these are substantial for hotels. Now this door now leads back to where we started, and it is in the main entrance. Now here's how you can get this specifically as an American Express Platinum or Gold card holder. I booked this through the hotel collection, and in this collection is where you can book hotels and get a couple of perks. With my booking came a free complimentary upgrade, as well as $100 of credit that I can use anywhere on the property. And this is what we're gonna be using for a little dinner at Garibaldi, which is their featured restaurant downstairs. I weighed out the pros and cons because when you're booking through the American Express website and then seeing the other prices that are available on like hotels.com or even on Intercontinental, it is the pricier option. But with all the benefits as well as the complimentary room upgrade, the pros far outweigh the cons. So y'all let me know in the comments if this is a room that you would book if you're here in San Diego. Make sure to like and subscribe for future content. I post videos like this as well as other travel hacks and travel guides. Also, feel free to connect with me on Instagram. I post there almost every single day, especially on stories. So if you have any questions about this booking or even want some tips about the specific hotel, feel free to DM me there. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.